everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel My Little World. I'm good, hope you are good as well. I think life is a journey, and whatever happens in it becomes an experience for us. Experience can be good and experience can be bad as well. Whatever we achieve in our life, it is not a result of a single day. It involves lots and lots of dedication, hard work, and failures. So in this video, I'm going to share my interview experience in EYGDS through campus placement. So let's get started. My interview was basically of 3 rounds. The first round was an online based MCQ test. In this round, there were questions related to Microsoft Excel, grammar, basic accounts, and financial reporting. The second round was an HR round. In this, I was asked questions like tell me something about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what are your opinions about working overtime in a company. These are general questions that are often asked in most of the interviews. So I was well prepared about that because I know that interview is not a place to experiment. So as a result, I was able to clear this round as well. The third round was a technical round and it almost continued for almost an hour. And I was asked various questions related to financial reporting, standards of auditing, taxation, and I was also asked questions about things that were mentioned in my CV. So some of the questions that I can recall are like what are the audit procedure that you can apply when you are going to audit an opening balance or when you are going to audit an asset. What are contingent asset? What are contingent liabilities? How do you deal with them in the financial statements? What are deferred tax assets, deferred tax liabilities? How do you calculate them? How do you present them in the financial statements? Even I was asked questions, case based questions like have you ever encountered a situation in which aapka and client ka opinion were not matching, and how did you deal with that situation? I was also asked what are the steps of revenue recognition, what is materiality, how do you calculate them, what are the various factors that helps in determining benchmarks. So these are some of the questions that I can recall. My interview went well. I was able to answer most of the questions, but I was still very nervous. And finally, at 11 p.m. at night, I received an email from EYGDS that I have been selected. Me and my family was very happy because this was my first interview experience after becoming a chartered accountant and I was able to clear it. So this interview has now become an experience for me and it will always remain a memorable experience for me. So that's all from my side related to my interview experience in EYGDS through campus placement. See you in the next video. Bye bye.